Yeah, hi. Good morning, everybody. So here I'm just provide my career journey and my success story of my life, which I gained from my starting job. So I did completed my engineering in 2010 in information technology from DCE Greater Noida. So after that, I have started my first job in Tulip Telecom Limited as a network support engineer. So in networking supports, initially when I joined, so I don't know what exactly is the work structure and how they are deals with the customers, and I don't know. So initially when I joined, so we have my job responsibilities in my first organizations like that. We are just providing that point to point connectivity between pop to client, and that RF fiber connectivity, and like basic installation of the device, and provide the access of the device to the provisioning team and that knock team. So initially we don't know what exactly configurations the guys are doing in the background. So like once configuration and configuration is done, they ask to just check the connectivity, MPLS and internet connectivity that is running and fine. We know that one, like link is up, working fine. What there in background there are a lot of things is running, some customer want that MPLS connectivity, some internet connectivity. So for that there are a lot of configuration is required on that multiple device. We know that there are some devices at pop, some devices in data center side, some devices CPE customer side. So but exactly what configuration they are doing, we don't know. So I got the update from my friend Kumar Sanu. He suggested me to join that Anand classes with Abhishek Anand sir. So I have started to join that class with Abhishek sir in 2011. So after that, we did a lot of practice in GNS tools. So I learned a lot of things in routing, switching, wireless, and multiple labs in OSPF, BGP, MPLS. So after that one, I got a lot of confidence. I know what exactly configurations the guys are doing in the provisioning side, and what troubleshooting knock team is doing. All of the things we know in that coaching classes. So after that one I will after that one I will started to give the interview in other organizations. So I have cracked multiple interviews with the help of Abhishek Anand sir. So like I have cracked Airtel interview in Manesar location, so where I have worked around 6 months. After that I have joined TCS, Entity Data, British Telecom, and again in HCL. So I want to say that before joining the Abhishek Anand classes, I don't know what network, what are the basics, what are the routing protocol, and other things. But when I joined the Anand classes, I know everything. The way of teaching of the Anand sir is really fantastic. Like they are just provide all of the details from basics. If a person who don't know anything about the network, he will join that organization, he can know everything about the network. So I will say that the as a tutor, Abhishek Anand sir is a very good knowledge, and he provide a lot of things to their students. So after that join of that classes, I have cracked a multiple interviews, and I got a lot of knowledge from that coaching classes, because they are not just giving that classes like that other institute. He provide that basic knowledge from every topic. If we are asking about that routing, so he will start from IP address, from basic. Like if you have a basic fundamental clear, you can crack everything, you can learn everything, you can work everywhere. So that's why I really like their teaching styles, and their study structures. They are not believing on bookish knowledge, like some peoples are provide that bookish knowledge, provide that certain some notes. They don't believe, he don't believe on that notes. He is just doing practice, just make a GNS lab for everything like routing, OSPF, MPLS, IPsec. We create a lot of labs. After that, we got a lot of confidence. Whatever interview we are giving, that is cracked because we know everything within that technology. So after that, like technology is changing, some SD-WAN is coming, some security firewall is coming. So we got that basic knowledge of SD-WAN also and security also. So that is helpful in for working in the organization. So right now I'm working in HCL technology as a network consultant and managing that data center design and implementations for multiple projects. So I'm working here from last 5 years, and that knowledge which I gained from Avsek sir, that is really helpful to me for implementing my project, designing my project, and provide the solution to the customer. So I will really really hats off to Avsek sir for their coaching classes. Thank you so much.